Shalom, welcome back. How about a meal that you don't even have to cook and you can be lazy with? You'll thank me later. Welcome back. That's right, we are making Parmesan garlic zucchini pasta. You'll choose any container that you like. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and add some zucchini. Now, this is entirely up to you as far as how much you want in your dish. And if you guys haven't already liked, shared, and also subscribed, please do so, because I'll be making more videos just like this. Back to the video. Now, once you've gotten your desired amount, that's it. Now we're going to be adding some rotisserie lemon pepper chicken. You can choose any chicken for that matter. Just make sure that it's already pre-cooked. And with that, we're going to put in some diced carrots. Now, this recipe is very versatile, so you can use anything you want to. But with that, let's back into the video. Let's go ahead and put in a little bit of broccoli. And we're going to be building these layers, and we're going to be putting some diced red or purple onion, however you guys like to say it. And with that, we're going to be adding some sun-dried tomatoes to this. I would strongly suggest adding those because it is so delicious with this dish. And with that, we're going to be adding some shredded Parmesan cheese. Now, you could take the Parmesan cheese out, but it does give some good flavor. And now, for the grand finale, you guys, we're going to go ahead and add some of the sun-dried tomato oil. Make sure it's Mediterranean blend. And from there, let's go ahead and pour it in. Now, here's a quick tip. If you were going to make this early, you'll start out by pouring the oil in first, then the vegetables, then this Parmesan garlic. That's right, the star of the show. Now, you could pour in as much as you guys want, but if you were doing it to try to reserve it for later on or maybe pack it for lunch, do it backwards, if you know what I mean. Then tighten up that container, give it a quick shake, and with that, you guys have a perfectly good and delicious, and must I say appetizing, Sabbath dish. And with that, you guys, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and I will see you guys next time. Shalom.